Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another live day trading episode with your boy Money Spence. In today's live day trading episode, your boy Money Spence show you how to trade like an institutional trader who manage risk consistently on a daily basis. And we're going to focus on making $600 with our repeatable day trading strategy. Without further ado, let's take a deep dive into this morning's episode. And make sure you like and subscribe to the Money Spence YouTube channel. All right, family, you know how we got to start the morning off. We got to start the morning off with showing the gains. So now, first account, we're up $2,450.28. And this is from October 31st through November the 17th. Our second account, we're up $2,384.82. And our third funded account, we're up $525.22. So that's a profit of $5,360.32 in a matter of 11 trading days. So we've been averaging about $487. All right, family. So here's the economic calendar. So today we have two Fed speakers. We have one at 9 a.m. and we have one at 9:30 a.m. And we're supposed to get a construction spending report at 10 a.m. But that news is going to be delayed. Now we're going to take a quick look at the overall market sentiment. At this current moment, the overall market sentiment, it's bearish. A lot of stocks, they are currently selling off in pre-market. Now we're going to cover support and resistance levels for our options traders and our futures traders. So first up on our list, IWM, we have a key support level at $235.80. Our first pivot point price, it's at $237.20. Our first level of resistance for IWM, it's priced at $237.92. SPA, we have a key support level at $667.35. Our pivot point is priced at $671.81, and our first level of resistance is priced at $674.08. QQQ, we have a key support level number one at $603.36. Our pivot point is priced at $609.21, and our first level of resistance for the Qs, it's at $612.16. So your boy Money Spence, he primarily trade the QQQ options futures. So I'm trading MNQ. Now, if you're an options trader and you want to trade in the same direction that Money Spence trade in, you can focus on the Qs. And let's say, for example, if I say, hey, I'm going long towards the upside, you can focus on calls. If I say, hey, I'm going short towards the downside, you can focus on puts. All right, family, it's about to be showtime, and the market's going to be open in approximately 10 seconds. So make sure you have your risk management strategy in place. It's about to be showtime, family. Let's get it. Make sure you do me a favor and like and subscribe to the Money Spence YouTube channel if you're a new member. All right, family, the market is open. Let's go. Let's get it. And we were supposed to have a bullish run today. Now, we did have a bullish run, but I guess something, happened in pre-market. Something happened in pre-market. So that bullish run that we had, overnight, and your boy Money Spence, I was able to make some money off of that move, overnight. But now we're starting to pull back in the New York session. If we drop below $24,948.50, you may see your boy Money Spence go short towards the downside. That's going to be a key level for us, family. Make sure you're ready to level up. This is the first episode. Season 3. Season 3 is primarily focused on managing risk on a daily basis. So today, I want you all to, get into a habit of locking your risk management settings. So my max risk per account today is going to be $500. That's going to be my max risk today. All right, so we have a key support level at $24,955.25. Let's see if the buyers are going to step in pretty soon. If we drop below $24,955.25, it's a strong possibility that we may continue to go lower. Let me go to the 1 minute time frame really quick. All right, the buyers, they're starting to step in.
Order filled.
Go ahead and start off with one contract right here. Risky play family.
Order filled.
Right here, let's go. Beautiful. Come on. Currently holding 2 contracts. I'll add 3 more if we break above the I'm gonna add
Order filled.
go. Come on. Currently up 100 and some let me take those.
Order filled.
Made about $272
Order filled.
more right here.
Order filled.
Go. Come on. Keep moving higher. Let me
Order filled.
here. Come on. Keep going. Holding 5 contracts right now towards the upside. Hopefully this move do not reverse on me. Hopefully it'll continue to go higher. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Don't fake us out right here. There we go. Don't fake us. Beautiful. Don't fake us out. Beautiful. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. We're currently long NQ futures towards the up. Let's go. We have a 5-minute bullish play developing on the open. Come on. Keep going higher. There we go. Come on. Keep going higher. Beautiful. Come on. Keep going. Beautiful. Let me take
Order filled.
secure profits once again.
Order
Let me get
filled.
back in right here. So family, I just made about $376.73 off of that play towards the upside. That fast, family. Let's go, man. Whoo. Damn, that play, it had me a little nervous. I'm not even gonna lie. It had your boy Money Spence a little nervous, but man, that's amazing. So we just made some nice gains for the first, 3 minutes of the trading day. $377.10 so far for the trading day. Let's go, man. All right,
Order
let me add a
filled.
little bit more right here. Currently holding 2 contracts. I'll add some more if we start breaking and holding above this grain price point. It's a strong possibility that we're going to continue to go higher based on the momentum that I'm seeing, right now on the open. And I think I'm going to lock this account, pretty soon because I don't want to give these gains, back. I'm going to lock this account pretty soon. We need to break above this key level, and then I'm going to shift focus and trade in one of my other, funded accounts. But I am currently long on the Nasdaq. Beautiful. Come on, keep going higher. Keep going higher. There we go. Keep going. Beautiful. Let me take those
Order
profits.
filled.
All right, so I made about $412 in this account. I'm going to lock this account until tomorrow. So let me lock that one. All right, and let me go to this funded account right here. All right, family. So it's about to be showtime
Order
towards the
filled.
upside. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. If we break above $25,104.26, strong possibility that we're going to continue to move higher.
Order filled.
Let me add 2 more contracts right here. I'll add 3 more if we continue to break higher. If we break above this yellow price line right here, strong possibility that we're going to hit towards the 200 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. Let's go, man. It's about to be showtime, family. Let's get it. All right, so I'm currently green on this play. I'll add a little bit more if we break above the 50 EMA on the 5-minute time frame. It's a strong possibility that we're going to have a 5-minute 3-bar play develop. So I'm going to sell this trade by at the latest 9:45 a.m. All right, so we're starting to pull back a little tad bit. We're starting to pull back a little tad bit. I'm not going to panic. So far for the day, I think I'm already up about probably close to $600. Let me see. In this account, 412.12, and the other account 252.60. So yeah, that's over $600 for the first, few minutes of the trading day. All right,
Order
let me add
filled.
one more contract right here. Let's go. Currently holding 3 contracts. Beautiful. I'll add 2 more if we break above this yellow zone. Come on, keep going higher. Keep going higher. I'm
Order
gonna add some more
filled.
right here. Let's go. Come on, keep going. Add a
Order
little bit more. All
filled.
right, so I'm currently holding 5 contracts. I'll sell pretty soon. Let me take
Order
profits right now.
filled.
Let me take those profits. All right, let me get
Order
back in right
filled.
here, family.
Order
2
filled.
more contracts. All right, so in this account, I'm currently $127.56. I'll add 3 more if we break above this yellow price zone right here. Come on, keep going. Keep going. We need this 5-minute candle to close bullish. If this 5-minute candle closes bullish, it's a strong possibility that we're going to continue to go higher. Come on. Come on, keep going. Keep going. I'm gonna add
Order
3 more right
filled.
here. Currently holding 5 contracts. Let's see if we can get that pump towards the upside now. Come on, keep going. Keep going. Give us that pump. Don't fake us out. Don't fake us out. Give us that pump right now. There we go. Come on. There we go. Beautiful. Let me take those
Order
profits.
filled.
All right, just secure profits again.
Order
Let me get
filled.
back in right here. One contract. Keep going.
Order
We had
filled.
another one right here, holding 2 contracts right now. Let's go. Currently long on the Nasdaq at the moment. Come on, keep going higher. Let me take those
Order
profits.
filled.
All right, just secure profits once again. Come on, keep going.
Order
Let me add 2
filled.
more right here. Let's go. Currently holding 2 contracts, family. We're starting to move towards the upside. Come on, keep going. Beautiful. Let me add
Order
3 more right here.
filled.
Currently holding 5 contracts. Come on, keep going higher. There we go. Let me take those
Order
profits.
filled.
All right. So in this account, currently up $338.92.
Order
Let me add a little
filled.
bit more right here. Let's go. Come on. All right. So I'm currently only holding 1 contract at the moment. We're up close to $1,000 so far, playing that bounce towards the upside. Now, if we break above $25,183.19, it's a strong possibility that we're going to continue to go higher. Strong possibility. And we're currently trading near VWAP at the moment. We're trading near VWAP. All right, so I'm still holding this 1 contract. I'm thinking about selling it. Thinking about selling this 1 contract pretty soon. I want to see if we're going to break above VWAP. Come on, don't fake us out now. Keep going. Keep going. May add 1 more. If we break and hold above VWAP, I'll add some additional contracts. This is our VWAP price at $25,176.40. That's a key price zone for us. If we break above this red and white line, it's a strong possibility that we're going to continue to go higher towards this blue price zone. Come on. Let me go back to the chart up here. Come on, give us that push, man. Come on. Waiting patiently for that, strong push towards the upside. Sold most of my contracts at 9:37 a.m. All right. Let me add 1
Order
more right here. Let's
filled.
go. Come on. Holding 2 contracts right now. Come on. Give us that pump. Give us that pump. If you hear a ding go off, that means we're bursting towards the upside. All right. Let's
Order
go. It's time to
filled.
add 3 more. Currently holding 5 contracts, family. Oh, shit. Come on. Don't fake us out right here. Keep going higher. Keep going higher. Keep going higher. Come on. Come on. Burst above this level. There we go. Come on. I'm going to sell pretty soon, family. Get ready to take profits. It's taking too long. There we go. Patience. There we go. Beautiful.
Order filled.
Sold too early. Sold too early,
Order
family. Let me
filled.
get back in right here. 1 contract. I was holding too heavy, so I got a little nervous. Definitely got a little nervous. Patience. Patience, family. We're having a difficult time breaking above this level. Patience. I'll get back in with some additional contracts if we can hold above this damn level. All right,
Order
let me buy 1
filled.
more right here. Currently holding 2 contracts. I'll add 3 more if we continue to pump towards up. All right, beautiful. That's what I like to see right there. Come on, keep going higher. Keep going higher. All right, beautiful.
Order
Let me take those
filled.
profits. All right,
Order
let me get back
filled.
in right here. Small size, holding 1 contract at the moment. We're currently trading above VWAP. Now, let's see if the high frequency trading algorithms can start stepping in right now. Come on, keep going. Keep going. We're starting to pull back a little tad bit. Just a little tad bit. It's not really a strong, pullback. I'm going to sell this play at the latest 9:45 a.m. Come on.
Order
Let me add
filled.
2 more right here. Currently holding 2 contracts, family. Let's see if we can get that pump towards the upside now. This is a nice 5-minute 3-bar play. And I called this 3-bar play out right here at 9:30 a.m. on the open. Beautiful. There we go. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. And I think I'm going to stick with small size in this, zone right here because we may possibly retrace back towards the downside. We may possibly retrace. And you know what?
Order
I'm going to take
filled.
my loss right here on that position. So we just made a nice sizable amount for the first 11 minutes of the trading day. So let me see how much your boy Money Spence made for the day. So I'm going to pump the brakes a little bit since we already made, some money. Let's pump the brakes. All right, let me see. 328 plus. So in one account we made $328.76. And our other account we made $412.12. And in our third account, we made $252.60. So for the first 11 minutes of the trading day, your boy Money Spence made close to $1,000. I made $993.48. All right, family. Now let's go back to the big screen quick so you all can see exactly what just happened. And good morning, everyone who just joined the Money Spence live day trading show. Ab, good morning, my brother. Stock up, good morning. Lena Stanford, good morning. SJ in the building, good morning, family. Stock up said, great trading. He made $300 for the day and he's done. Rashad, my brother, good morning. Lena Stanford said she's up 600. She's up $733. And she said she locked her account. Great job, Lena Stanford. I love the discipline, family. Great job. James said he's up $1,330 and he just passed an account. Man, I love what we're seeing in the chat right now, family. I love it, man. This is how professional traders trade on a daily basis, man. This is how y'all trade, man. We have some members saying, hey, I locked my account. Some members said, hey, I made 300. I'm done for the day. This is how we do it, family, in real time, man. In the market, it's still going towards the upside. We started to call out the longs right here in this price zone. We didn't care if the market, was down in pre-market. We stuck to the day trading plan on the open and killed it, family. For the first 11 minutes of the trading day, we were done. We were done. Once I noticed that we were holding support level number 3, I said, you know what? It looked like this thing is exhausted, and it looked like it's a strong possibility that we're about to retrace and start pumping back towards the upside. And if you're in the Discord, right? In the Discord yesterday around 11:30 a.m., I mentioned to the traders in Discord, I say, hey, I was reading some dark pool institutional data, over the weekend. So I learned how to read that data with one of my, platforms that I utilize for the Supreme Traders. So if you're not a part of the Supreme Trading Discord, make sure you click that link towards the upside and join the Supreme Trading Discord if you want access to high frequency support and resistance levels for options traders. And we also have some levels in there for futures traders before the market opens up as well. And yes, you do have to pay for that information. I think on a monthly basis, it's only $20. So that's your way of also supporting the Money Spence day trading show on a daily basis by joining the Supreme Trading Discord group. But family, let's lock back in on the charts. Now we can start implementing the first 15-minute high and the first 15-minute low. We can start implementing the 15-minute ORB strategy in real time. So we need to keep a close eye on this price zone right here. It's currently priced at $25,199.25. If we break above that price zone, it's a strong possibility that we're going to continue to go higher towards the upside. All right, so that's going to be our ORB resistance. Our ORB support, it's going to be right here at $24,955.25. It's a strong possibility based on what I'm seeing right now. If we break that price zone towards the upside, we're going to hit possibly towards the pre-market resistance. The pre-market resistance level, it's priced at $25,362. So make sure you keep a close eye on that price zone if we continue to break towards the upside. And let's highlight some of our key indicators that we use to pick up on that move towards the upside. So I noticed that on the open, we were holding the 30 level on the RSI. We were holding that price level, that green, section. And then we started to trend towards the upside. Then our MACD started to shift on the 1-minute time frame around 9:32 a.m. We got in for the long around, excuse me, 9:31 a.m. I noticed that this 1 minute candle right here, it engulfed the previous 1 minute bearish candle. So that was giving me confirmation that, hey, this move is about to start, moving higher. It's time to get in and focus on the move towards the upside. So we got in right here and we played this full bullish trend towards the upside. And we sold right here in this area. This is where we sold at, and took profits. Once we broke above the daily pivot point price level that was priced at $25,060.25, that was also giving us some additional confirmation to focus on a move towards the upside. Now, everybody should have made some money, on the open with us. Everybody should have made some money. Now, the second trend opportunity is about to, come about. But if you want to trade like a institution, it's important to know that once you hit your daily target, lock your account and call it a day, family. You do not want to get into a habit of being greedy and over trading. That's how traders, blow their account. We're professional traders over here, and we trade on a daily basis with a strict, proven day trading strategy. And that day trading strategy, it just paid your boy money Spence today $1,000 for the first 11 minutes of the trading day. All right, so let's lock in on the poll. So how are you managing risk today like an institutional funded trader? So number one, we had a fixed daily loss limit. 43% of our subscribers selected that one. Number two, we had fixed max contract size. 14% of our members selected that one. Number three, only taking A1 setups with a small risk. 21% of our members selected that one. And number four, use a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So all of these answers, honestly, family, they could have been the correct answer. Now, today, your boy Money Spence stepped into the trading day with a fixed daily loss limit. So, per account, I was only risking $500 per account, and I locked my risk settings. So, this season, it's primarily based on managing risk effectively on a daily basis. So, we won't get into a habit of blowing funded accounts. We want to at least have our funded account at max 4 days. You know, Hold on one second, family. All right, so the Bulls, they're starting to step in right here. They broke above the 15-minute ORB resistance level. I said, hey, if we break above that level, it's a strong possibility that we're going to continue to go higher. And that's what we're doing right now, family. We're going higher. But let me get back to the poll really quick. So you could have got in for an entry right here and keep a close eye on this price zone up here at $25,362. That's a key price zone for us. And based on what I'm seeing right now, it's a possibility that we may hit up towards that price zone. All right. So I had a fixed daily loss limit today per account, $500. If I would have lost $500 in those accounts, my accounts, it would have locked me out for the day. So that's how you trade like an institutional trader. They have a fixed daily loss limit in some cases. And once they hit that daily loss limit, they're done for the day. Number two, some traders usually have a fixed max contract size. So my fixed max contract size today, it was 5 contracts max per trade. So my system, it wouldn't allow me to size up to 10 contracts because that would have, put me at a higher exposure to hit my risk management, my daily risk management target, at a faster rate if I would have sized up, aggressively. So I felt like 5 contracts was a comfortable amount to risk $500 for. So number three, only taking A1 setups. So the A1 setup that we took today on the open, it was right here at 9:31 a.m. Institutional traders and funded traders and traders who run their own day trading business like your boy Money Spence, we try our best to take A1 setups. And we're usually confident when that A1 setup, appear. Now, I was a little, nervous, trade on the open. I'm not going to lie, but I said, no, pump the brakes, man, and look at the damn chart. The chart was giving me confirmation to focus on the move towards the upside. So I said, you know what, man, it's time to level up. And we killed the first 11 minutes of the trading day. I made $1,000 on this move right here for the first 11 minutes of the trading day. Now, I could have made more, but my target today, it was only $600. So I'm well above my, target limit for the day. And I'm, forever grateful and thankful for that amount. But I could have made about $2,000 for the day if I continue to trade, all of my accounts at one time. But I'm extremely, grateful and thankful for the amount that I did make for the first 11 minutes of the trading day, because you don't want to get into a habit of over trading, and then you know what, you're down, $100 after you were already up a significant amount for the day. So 25% of our members selected number three. Now, option four, use a 2-to-1 risk to reward. So some traders, they may risk $500 to make $250. So that's a 2-to-1 risk reward. Now 18% of our members selected that one. And today you could have risked $500 to make $250 easy from this bullish setup right here towards the upside. You could have easily made that amount. So let me see. Lena Sanford said she locked her account. Great job. Oh, I already read that message. Couldn't think about it. Okay. All right. So does any of our members have, any questions or concerns at this current moment while your boy Money Spence is not holding any trades? Let me know in the chat if you have any questions about, what just took place, or any questions about, risk management as well. We had a beautiful 1, 2, 3, 4. We had a beautiful 4-bar play on the open, and you could have made a couple hundred or a couple $1,000s on this play, depending on how many contracts you were holding. So do me a favor, family. Make sure you click on that like button if you're enjoying this live day trading stream with your boy Money Spence. And James, great job passing your combine today, my brother. Great job, family. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. All right. Let me show you all how some institutional traders usually lock their account so they can, be done for the day. So I already hit my target in this account, right? So this is my risk settings. I was risking 500 and my max contract size was 5. Reached the target 250. This was a 2-to-1 risk. So I'm going to lock this account since I already, reached my target for the day. And I'm going to lock it until tomorrow. I'm not going to be greedy, and I'm not going to, overtrade. So this account, it's locked until tomorrow. I won't be able to trade it until 9:30 a.m. The second account, $328.76. I'm going to lock this account as well, because I already reached my target for the day, and it's no need to over trade and be greedy. That's how traders, blow accounts. So all of my accounts, they are locked, family. All of them are locked. Let's go back to the big screen chart really quick. We're already up $1,000 for the day with some great trading. All right, family. So the bulls, they are still in charge. I said, hey, if we break above the 15-minute ORB resistance level, it's a strong possibility that we're going to continue to go higher. And if you look at the bottom of our screen, we had a bullish 5-minute MACD, bullish 5-minute MACD, a bullish RSI, bullish RSI. So let me see. James said, thanks. Still shaking. I am excited. So James, great job passing, my brother. So is this your first time passing a combine account and becoming a funded trader? Let your boy Money Spence know in the chat, family. So Edward said, I followed your trade and kept in mind I have a small account and I only took one contract, made $21, small gains on QQQ. I'll never really know how long to hold a play. What support would you get out at? All right, so let's go to the QQQ chart really quick. All right, so on the open, the Qs, we had a key support level for our options traders at $605.24, right? Now, for this play right here, I probably would have held this play if I would have got in right here on the open. I probably would have held this play if I would have got in right here, right? I probably would have focused on the $606, calls, or the $607 calls, or the $608 calls. I probably would have got in right here, and I probably would have sold somewhere in this price zone, and you could have made a nice, sizable amount off of that trade, because we had a neutral pivot point price level at $610. And if you wanted to be on a low end, you could have honestly probably purchased the $610 calls at a lower rate and sold up here once the premium increased, and you would have made a nice sizable amount off of that play. All right, so let me go back to the futures chart real quick. All right, let's go back to the 1-minute time frame really quick so we can get a quick read on the market. And remember, family, over here, we only trade for 30 minutes per day. We're not sitting at our, laptops or our phone up until, 4 a.m. I meant 4 p.m. We trade over here for 30 minutes per day and then we're done. All right, so let me see. So James said second, it was my VIP account I just passed. I also have a 50K XFA I passed a long time ago. Great job, James. I love the fact that you didn't start trading your other, funded account right out the gate. Now you have two funded accounts. So on a daily basis, I would probably recommend that you have your max risk at $500 and your max contract size with MNQ at 5 MNQ contracts max. And on a daily basis, you want to try to make, at minimum 150, 200, or 250, and then call it a day. And once you get a little bit more comfortable, that's when you start trying to make a little bit more money. All right, so let me see. Edward said pivot point, got it. Thanks, man. You are welcome, Edward. You are welcome, my brother. So family, man, your boy Money Spence, he's about to call it a day, man. I made $1,000 for the first 11 minutes of the trading day, and over here we only trade for the first 30 minutes, man, and then we're done. Today was season 3, episode 1. Season 3 is primarily focused on managing risk on a daily basis. In this episode, I showed you all how to manage risk effectively like an institutional funded trader or a trader who's running their own day trading business, like your boy Money Spence. So every single day during this season for these next 12 episodes, in the morning time, we're going to lock our risk management settings so we won't be able to adjust it. My max risk on a daily basis is going to be $500 per account. My max contract size on a daily basis, it's going to be five MNQ contracts per account. This season, family, I do not want to hear about nobody blowing their, new funded account in one day. I don't want to hear it, family. So if somebody say, Spence, man, I just blew my funded account, in one day, the first thing I'm going to ask you, what was your max risk? Did you have your max risk in place? Did you lock your risk settings? It's certain habits this season 3, that we got to get out of, family, if we want to, be a long-term day trader. And the thing that we need to keep a close eye on to stay in this game, long term, it's going to be risk management, family. So this season, man, I don't want to hear about nobody blowing their funded account on day one. Because I'm gonna ask you, I'm gonna say, family, did you lock your risk management settings before the day started? So I don't want none of that energy over here this season. Season 3, I don't want none of that energy over here, family. And hopefully you don't take it personal, but this season we're leveling up. We're keeping risk management as a top priority. We're done with, blown accounts on day one. We're done with that. At minimum, you want to have your funded account at minimum at least, 3 through 4 days. We're removing those old habits and we're elevating in season 3. Season 1, that was the foundation of studying how a elite day trader trade on a daily basis. Season 2, that was tapping into trading psychology. Season 3, we're managing risk effectively on a daily basis. So family, I'm out, man. We only trade for 30 minutes per day over here. Your boy Money Spence made $1,000. I really appreciate everyone's support. Make sure you like and subscribe to the Money Spence YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with more valuable trading tips and weekly day trading education. Our next episode, it'll be released on Thursday, episode number 2, and number 3, it'll be released on Friday at 9:25 a.m. sharp. You'll be trading with your boy Money Spence. So I'm out, family. Peace. Hopefully no one took my rant personal, but I'm just trying to level everyone up so you can get to that level of becoming a consistently profitable trader. In season 1, I showed everyone how to make consistent gains on a daily basis, probably for about 25 trading days straight. So I'm trying to help you all level up and get to that elite status like your boy Money Spence. So I'm out, family. Peace.